So welcome to our podcast session, Mr. Kunal. Please give your introduction in 15 minutes. Hello everybody, my name is Kunal Bhati and I have done my bachelor's from MBA University and recently I am pursuing in master's from IIT Indian Institute of Packaging and I have some habits like listening, traveling and exploring adventurous islands and making more friends. Do you believe luck plays an important role in achieving goals? Yes, or in success? Yes, sir. That is a very important factor in your life because I personally feel this experience because at that time where I have reached it just because of some luck and some of my hard work because I didn't prepare for my entrance exam for that MSc for MSc level for MS course, but due to the luck factor, I got selected. I got selected in my course with greater percentage. Sir, don't you think it is all game of vacancies? This year I have 100 vacancies, so 100 people will be selected. Next year I have 200 vacancies, now 200 people will be selected. So where is the game of luck? It is the game of vacancies, more opportunities. So you can say that, but in my case, like luck is almost everywhere. Where I go in anywhere, I like God has sent me to a best wishes to me. Like where you go, you got your luck with 100% and you got selected where you go. You have to describe yourself in 2 words, and you have to tell why you describe in these 2 words. 2 words. 2 words you have to describe your family. Yes, sir. Like positive attitude. Like positive attitude is required to achieving something you want. Like if you find any serious problem and any tense problem, like if you have a positive mindset that gives you a hope to do something and to come out from the black space. And the second word is making friend. It's like I am comfortable with all around people because I am a flexible type of person. Where I go, I make more friends and we are comfortable around them. Like which creates a situation which creates a situation more easily to confront. Suppose if you don't get a job for the next 3 years, will you be still positive? You said I'm a positive. That doesn't happen. I'm just giving a situation. No, sir. If it is happen like I have like sir लॉकडाउन लगा था किसी को नहीं पता था लगा ईरान का युद्ध सर खत्म नहीं हुआ Trump is still the head of America. I'm just asking how do you defend, how do you respond? मैं देखना चाहता हूँ कैसे respond. Sir, if I am not able to get, like I can do another things. I can do another things. Like I can't do this thing. I can go to the content creation and whatever the things which are available online, and I try these things. If I like them, then I will pursue my career into it. Well, thank you so much for.